I'm Sangeeta. The direction for the question is, study the following table carefully and answer the question given below. The question is, the percentage of students of art faculty doing accounting only is. The solution of this question is as follows. The required percentage is equals to number of girls plus boys of accounting from art faculty whole upon total number of girls and boys of arts into 100. It is clear from above table that the number of girls from the total number of students are 25 plus 120, and 25 plus 120 whole upon 536 into 100. Because the total number of girls is 85 in art and total number of boys in art is 451. Hence, the total of 451 and 85 is equals to 536. Then the required percentage is equals to 27%. Hence, option 4 is correct. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Sangeeta. The direction for the question is, study the following table carefully and answer the question given below. The question is, if 60% of boys and 70% of girls are successful in the course taken by them, then what is the combined pass percentage? As it is clear from above table that the total number of boys is equal to 611 and the total number of girls is equals to 85 plus 60, which is equals to 145. Then, according to the question, the successful boys is equals to 60% of 611, which is equals to 367, and the successful girls is equals to 70% of 145, which is equals to 102. Hence, pass percentage is equals to 367 plus 102 whole upon 611 plus 145 into 100, which is equals to 62%. So, the right answer for this question is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Sangeeta. The direction for the question is, study the following table carefully and answer the question given below. The question is, by what percentage the number of students doing management is less than the number of students doing writing only? As it is clear from above table that the students doing management is equals to 25 plus 45 plus 25 plus 65, which is equals to 160. and the students doing writing is equals to 23 plus 186 plus 20 plus 32, which is equals to 261, and the difference between them is equals to 261 minus 160, which is equals to 101. Therefore, the required percentage is equals to 101 upon 261 into 100, which is equals to 38%. Hence, the right answer for this question is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.